Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Smalag Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon and we're going to use motor and drive in Angeles.
Yes, but first we need to check price TV. We want to buy Samsung TV 55 inch. We already checked Samsung in Sam City Clark. They say it only cash you can buy for 22,000 peso. But we want to check also another maybe shops where you can buy used card and how much also, and we will show to you also. And drive in the Angeles City at weekend. We will use scooter, Yamaha Aerox car we not need to use because diesel expensive right now, but good weather and we will use motor today. Player. It's okay. Yeah, this one, yes. No, it's okay, we can. Now we in Robinson Appliance and we will check how much here TV, because I read in internet TV cheaper maybe in here in Robinson Appliance and also in Nepa Mall. That's why we will check where. Guys, I asking here can pay also card, so not problem buy in this Robinson Appliances. Because you can pay cash, you can pay card, it's not problem, and also available new TV, not display units, so many. That's why first we will go to Nepa Mall. Nepa Mall also have the same Robinson Appliance and check how much. Here also 22,000, the same price and same in the same.
Problem only in SM you cannot use card.
Yes, but here can use card,
and
yes.
Cash.
Yes, not problem. And parking, I can park car and already put my TV inside the car. That's why first we will go to Nepa Mall, we eat in Nepa Mall only. And check, yes? Because I know Shaira hungry, that's why if Shaira hungry need, first she need it, I need feed her. Some of subscribers asking why you look like mad. Because you hungry. Hungry. But why your lipstick not... you have problem? Lipstick you see, it's black. Because you maybe hot. Okay, okay. Okay, let's go.
video for computing.
Already motorcycle and Nepa Mall parking. I bring my jacket. Shaira bring her new helmet because she don't want to hold helmet outside. That's why she will bring helmet. Shaira prepare.
4,000 plus na sa pera niya. 4,000.
I expected many people because outside hot. If outside hot, many people in the mall, Nepa Mall. Yeah.
I think this one there.
Where?
There.
I don't know. You ask security. Ask security, maybe allowed. Yes, ask, not problem. It's allowed. Okay. Good afternoon. Benson. Shaira, first we check how much here. I don't want inside the video. I just show to you. I check price here a little bit high price. Even more higher than NSM. It's 23,000 peso for 55-inch Samsung TV. Inasal, oh. Shaira don't want Inasal, okay. What you want, a McDonald's? Or what? Greenwich? No, Greenwich not problem, up to you, Shaira, up to you, because I can eat in home, if I want. Okay, you choose. Greenwich, Inasal, have also KFC, Choking. Choking better for you? Up to you, if you want Choking, we can buy. Put some choking. This is choking. Choking. Like this. Okay. And choose what you want. First you choose. You not think about me. I know what I want. Water. That's good. Вот. Москита. Вот, helmet. Back. Hold down. So that's my What is Shaira name?
Pansit.
Pansit. And you order rice only.
You want soy sauce?
No, not need. Shaira hungry, very hungry. And long time we wait food here. Okay. We finish it. You put up. Need to buy something, you know, like this, and can you hold helmet here. You okay? No, already full, Shaira? Not hungry? No. Eat, Shaira feel not good now. What?
Easy.
Dizzy? But what happened? I don't know. Maybe food's not good for you. Maybe iced tea, cola maybe, Shaira, not good.
No, because I'm already not long time not eat.
Because long time you not eat.
That's why.
But we travel, we faster, you wake up, we traveling to Angeles. Okay, let's
Also hot outside. Right?
The hot in the Philippines normal, it's okay. Okay, let's go. Are you okay, Shaira?
Hmm?
You okay? Okay. So you go with me. You go with me to buy, or you stay at home.
Wait, I will ask my...
You ask your family, you okay or not?
Because we need to go to church later.
Okay. No problem. I will prepare to go. Prepare go to Angeles. I will use car and I will buy TV. I don't know, Shaira go or not. Sometimes she feel not good. After eat or before eat, I don't know. But she been already in hospital, don't have problem. But I don't know what happened. Maybe some foods for her not good. Maybe, I don't know what happened. Our broken TV, TLC. Motor I put cover letter because cat sometimes sit and scratch. But you okay, Shara? Feel better? Not good? But maybe you stay at home. Huh? No, maybe if you feel not good, how? Drive. Seat belt, seat belt. Okay, we'll go to buy. Shaira use vape. Robinson, Angeles. Okay, come back, Shaira. We will buy now. This, take a look. This is 15 inch, 20,000 pesos. Thank you, thank you. And this one is for 55 inches, 22,000.
This is the accessories.
Mm-hmm.
The power cord and the remote. Tuna port ko. Alin na cafe before, sir. Did you go to here near RCC?
A cafe?
Yeah.
Yes,
The
I've been.
computer shop?
I filming. Yes,
Yes.
I filming.
I remember.
I remember also your face, but I don't know where I see. Yeah, it's my life, Philippines.
Yes. Sir, thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you.
It's very nice to meet you, sir.
Red Street.